unlike when you have a more formal setting at the opening ceremony. The Scottish athletes, and that's Gagan Narang there, did so very well with the pistol and shooting. The gold medal that he had, the silver, as the Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, flanked with the head of state from Sri Lanka, Rajapaksa, who's there, and Gagan Narang holding the Indian tricolour absolutely high, getting a fantastic applause. A man who has done India proud at the shooting arena as he holds India's flag right up there, and this speaks it all. I love India.
तो भारत की माटी में साइना नेहवाल आज स्वर्ण पदक जीता है उन्होंने भारत के लिए। सही मायने में भारत की माटी में, इस धरती में भारतीय खिलाड़ियों ने एक नया आयाम दिया है, एक नया अध्याय जुड़ा है। इतिहास का वो पन्ना जो भारत के लिए हमेशा यादगार रहेगा। पहली बार भारत ने 100 के ऊपर मेडल जीते और वो दूसरे स्थान पर।
That's right, and Indian contingent getting a huge welcome here. Really everyone celebrating not only India's fantastic performance, first time crossing more than 100 medals, 101, now placed at number 2 in the Commonwealth at this Commonwealth Games behind Australia. Mr. L.K. Advani, they're also enjoying every moment here at the closing ceremony. The Scottish players there, the Canadians coming in on the other side. England number 3, Canada number 4 in the medals ranking, and a man who would definitely be very proud, Mr. Suresh Kalmadi. And number 5 is South Africa. And then you have at number 5 and 6 from the African continent, South Africa and Kenya. And from Asia, number 7 and 8, Malaysia and Singapore. Scotland finishing up at number 10. So they would definitely look forward to improving their medal tally when they host the next Commonwealth Games, the 20th Commonwealth Games in 2014.
उत्साह और उमंग का वातावरण, उल्लास ही उल्लास है चारों तरफ।
These are the athletes who have taken part in the 17 sports, which include archery, aquatics, athletics, badminton, boxing, cycling, gymnastics, hockey, lawn bowls, netball, rugby 7, shooting, squash, table tennis, weightlifting and wrestling. And now these sports persons coming together. Just to remind you, in 2001, the Commonwealth Games movement adopted 3 values, which are humanity, equality and destiny, as the core values of the Commonwealth Games. And it is these values that inspire and connect thousands of people and signify the broad mandate for holding the Games within the Commonwealth.
तो ग्लासगो तैयार है 2014 के राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों के आयोजन के लिए। ये साइप्रस,
yeah, that's from the Mediterranean, and the Commonwealth Games have come a long way. In fact, from 1930 in Hamilton in Canada, where 11 countries sent in about 400 athletes to take part in 6 sports and 59 events. And over the years, this has really grown. And I'm sure in 2014, they're going to be more than the 6,000 who are here today in New Delhi.
ये विहंगम दृश्य दिल्ली के जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम के हैं। ये विहंगम दृश्य आप देख रहे हैं दूरदर्शन पर। दूरदर्शन ने इस बार अथक मेहनत की। 400 के ऊपर कैमरास का उपयोग किया गया, जिसमें शामिल थे कई तरह के गैजेट्स, टेक्नोलॉजी और कोऑर्डिनेशन।
And the same with the music that's being played here at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. And not only have you see these athletes taking part here, but we've also had the elite athletes with disabilities who have competed in 15 events across 4 sports, namely athletics, swimming, powerlifting, and table tennis. So with India hosting the 19th Commonwealth Games, India being the second Asian country after Malaysia, who hosted it in 1998. And in fact, it was in 1998 in Kuala Lumpur where team sports were first introduced to the Games. There you see Mike Pennell and the vice chairperson of the Commonwealth Games Federation. That was Prince Edward, the Earl of Essex. In fact, India has played a major role in the development of the Commonwealth Games over the years, especially from the time India got its independence in 1949. So the Commonwealth really evolved after 1949 with the independence of India. In fact, India wished to be part of the Commonwealth despite, becoming a republic. And that issue was resolved in 1949 at the conference of the Commonwealth ministers, where it concluded that sovereign nations could still take part in the Commonwealth. In 1950, just remember, India became a republic, and since then it has really grown and evolved. So India really played that pioneering role in getting the Commonwealth nations to take part, establishing themselves as independent republics. And here you can again see the Scottish players coming in with their kilts. And with that, India has not only established itself in 49, but today, from 49 moving on to 2010, today India has showcased to the Commonwealth, to the world, that yes, it has held very, very successfully a sporting event, an extravaganza at the highest level.
फुटबॉल के मैदान में इसे सभी जानते हैं, लेकिन आज जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम में भी इसका उपयोग होता हुआ खिलाड़ियों का आना अनवरत है। 71 देशों ने 19वीं राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों में हिस्सा लिया। भारत मेजबानी कर रहा था। आज अनायास ही मन करता है इस माटी को नमन करने का। ये दृश्य बाकी सब कुछ बता देते हैं। कहते हैं छवि अनायास ही बहुत कुछ कह जाती है।
And as these athletes enter the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, just remember that one of them is going to be